In this video, we are going to discuss free and paid ways to get new subscribers. So one of the best ways is to create a blog on WordPress and to create really good content and to upload it on your blog. So your articles should be relevant. Of course, they should be relevant to your topic. So if you sell cats and dogs or their food or whatever is related to pets, so this blog should be about pets. If you create good and helpful content, people will find it on search engines like Google. On your blog you can locate opt-in forms and use call to action, just something like that: get subscribed on newsletters or get helpful information or something like that. So people will get subscribed on it and you'll enlarge your email list. Second option is your topic related forums. You can participate being a member on different forums as well. There it's possible to start interesting discussions, to give people helpful content, helpful information. As well, it's possible to, on some of the forums, it's possible to paste links to your landing pages. People will get subscribed to your newsletters in the same way as it was in our previous step when you created a blog on WordPress. But remember, the content which you share should be interesting to people, and if you register on 10-15 forums and upload your interesting content there, so people will like it, why not get subscribed on your newsletters? Next is YouTube. You can create nice videos. Videos should be of helpful character. At the same time, you can make funny videos, people like them. You can ask people to share these videos. On YouTube, it's possible to add annotations. These annotations will be so-called links to your landing pages with subscription opt-in forms. So in the same way, you can get free and related subscribers, your topic related subscribers, just for free. So now we discuss PPC, pay-per-click. It's Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So in the same way, you create short ads. It's extremely important to create interesting ads. In the topic of any ad, you should use call to action, or the title of every ad should be interesting, should be original. Just if we speak now about Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, and the same here, we can speak about YouTube. We can compare these videos. Each of them has got its own title. So the title of the video here, it's written in big letters, you can see it. It's like this. Compare these 3 or 4 titles. Find out, ask yourselves, which video would you click on, which title is better, is catchy, is more attractive. So when you create any type of advert, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or just its free sources like YouTube, try to create good titles. The title should be different from your competitors. It should be more original. In some titles you can use call to action like click here, press here or something like that. People should notice your titles, your adverts, your videos, but not the content of your competitors. As well, just when you start any type of Instagram, Twitter or Facebook campaigns, don't forget that these rules work in the same way. The pictures which you upload must be original. They should be bright. They should be catchy. They should attract your potential subscribers' attention. And your future subscribers, should click on your adverts, but not on the adverts of your competitors. So as well, I strongly recommend to use Google AdWords, so-called, as well, it's PPC, pay-per-click adverts. You pay for each click, and in the same way you have to be really original. So these last two positions are adverts. So just here, I'm looking for buying sneakers in the USA. So you can find out here 2 last positions, as I've already mentioned, are the Google AdWords. So cheap shoes. So it's my personal opinion, but this title is not so good. I wouldn't click here. But the second title is purchase sneakers, high quality factory price. Here they have call to action. It's like purchase sneakers. They give additional information about it as well. In the title they have information that the quality is good and the price is pretty low as far as its factory price. So all the time see what your competitors do, be more original than them, and try to create beautiful adverts, whether it's free or paid sources to get new subscribers. Here, instead of these links, you put links for your landing pages with opt-in forms, and in the same way, you get new subscribers. As well, here it's a second page. It's as well Google AdWords. Now it's New Balance sneakers buy. So this was the keywords for my second search. Now let's compare this 4 or 5 positions for Google AdWords. So cheap sneakers sale on Xmas up to 70% off, free shipping. I suppose this title to be really good. People pay attention to it. You see here they've got numbers 70. So it seems different rather than here, as well than here, because numbers are better seen among all of these adverts. So whatever you do, I repeat it again and again, just compare yourselves to your competitors, be more original than them, and as well in some types of Google ads it's possible to use images. The images have to be bright. It's possible to get and download just good images from this website. It's 123rf.com if I'm not mistaken. Just let us check. Yep, so it's a good photo stock, good images stock. Some of the images are paid, some are for free. So just read all the terms and conditions of this website. Here you can change the language to whatever you want. Let's select English. So when you've selected English, you just register on this website. All the conditions are written here. You'll be able to read them and download varieties of images for free. Some will be paid, some for free. It's possible to find really nice images. I've been the customer of this service for several years, so because of it I can recommend it to you. And after it you'll be able to create really good ads, really good content, and get subscribers both for free and paid. See you in the next video.